In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on Siri on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and your Apple Watch Siri is not working, then you can manually turn this on your device. So if you don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on Siri on Apple Watch, what you just need to do is press the 2 crown once to exit the watch face, just like this. Then select settings. Then you want to use the 2 crown to scroll down until you get to Siri. Then click on Siri. Once you selected that, scroll down a bit and then locate Raise to Speak and turn this on. Then you should see what that says Enable Siri. Apple Store transcript of your interaction with Siri and may receive a subset of this transcription. Siri also sends information like your voice input, Hey Siri setup, contact, and location to Apple to process your request. Then scroll down and then tap Enable Siri. Then once turn that on, this is going to enable Siri on your Apple Watch. Again, come here and tap Listen For. Here you'll be able to customize what you want your Apple Watch to listen to whenever you are trying to communicate or command Siri. So it could be Siri, or Hey Siri, or choose Hey Siri. So in this case, I prefer to always use Siri or Hey Siri so that I'll be able to wake Siri by saying Hey Siri or by saying Siri. Then hit the power button again and come here and then turn on Press Digital Crown. Once you click on that, whenever you press Digital Crown on your Apple Watch just like this is going to wake the Siri on your Apple Watch. So that is how you can easily enable or turn on Siri on Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.